What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of KJ the Investor. This is yours truly, KJ. And without further ado, let's hop into the portfolio. Guys, listen, right now, I'm going to go ahead and tell you what's going on in the stock market. I don't know if you've been paying attention this morning, but there's been a big change of swing in the market. Lately, we've been on an upward trajectory in the positive direction, but this morning it's a huge sell-off. Just look at my investing account, down already over $1,300 for today. That's 2.13% of my portfolio. And if you come looking in the traditional account, we're down another $1,900 here. That's another 4.33% of my portfolio. So why are all of a sudden the stocks that were doing just so wonderful just yesterday and last week, why all of a sudden today, Monday, a fresh day of trading, why is everything down? Well, I'm going to tell you why. It's because of the threats that President 47 has made on Colombia and the tariffs. That's right. The country, Colombia and South America, they use the U.S. as a trade. They use, America as a trade port. And as we are being used as a trade port, we are one of their biggest traders and of goods and services like coffee beans, sugar canes, clothes, even. I mean, different stuff, man. You can buy different stuff from different countries, but the tariffs that has threatened the livelihood of the stock market is what's going on right now. Not only that, but there has been talk that China has a edge up on us when it comes to technology and the AI boom. So with that being said, investors are cautious. They're selling off shares. Their U.S. Treasury has moved up this morning. A lot of people's taking the high road. They're taking their money, putting it into safety, taking their profits, moving it to safety. A lot of big boy hedge funds moving their profits to safety. And that's why you see the results that we have and see in the market today. Let's look at it, guys. Even Bitcoin and Ethereum is down. But look at there, stocks and ETLs. You got your S&P down, which is VU. Mine's is SPLG right there. It's $70.20. It's down for today. Let's look at even the value companies like Walmart. It's down. Even though I'm up, total return over $4,000. Goodness gracious, I'm glad they see that. But it's still ultimately down for today, 0.46%. Even FTEC, my information technology ETF, is down to 186.88. And to be honest, guys, there's nothing fundamentally wrong with these companies. There's nothing wrong with none of these stocks or ETFs. It's just the news so it's market behavior. We already know that if it's the news, it's market behavior. It is not anything wrong with the company. I tell you guys all the time, the only time I will sell and the only time that I will get rid of something completely is if the companies change CEOs, if the company's going in a different direction and it's in the wrong direction or things like that. If it's not nothing like that, a great company like Walmart or Apple, Nvidia. Look at that. Nvidia down 133. Guys, this company was almost at 148 just the other day. And look how quickly it's come down. Already in the pre-market, $9.53 or 6.74%. And you guys know I have a large whole stake, a chunk in Nvidia. You see the returns right there, negative 526 for today. I'm still up in the positive 12.43%, but it was better than that before. You guys already know. Even with Meta, everything right now is on a deep discount. DGRO is going, DGRO is down right now because of the news and because of what the president is doing and all the things surrounding his name right now. Whether you like him or not, this is not that channel. We're not here to discuss that. I don't care about who likes him and who don't like him. But all I'm saying is the imposing of the tariffs, the threats of the imposing of tariffs, just that news alone has helped shape the markets to where they are. And it's causing a lot of people this morning to lose a lot of money. So there have been talks that there's been a halt put on the tariffs as far as pushing them. Is just threats right now. nothing really has been set in stone. And also the news of the Chinese big tech, Chinese AI tech boom over there, they are trying to take precedence over America in the AI tech sector. And that causes a lot of concerns for investors. And that's why they're putting their money up into safety. But like I always tell you before, this presents a buying opportunity, and this storm too shall pass. So don't fret. It's just another opportunity, guys, to I feel like the DCAN, dollar cost average in, buy the dip if you thinking about jumping into a position. If you've been thinking about jumping into something for the longest time, I think now is a great time to do that. So I'm not telling you got to do it. I just know what I'm going to do. My strategy, I'm going to buy the dip. Look at that, SCHD, one of the best dividend ETFs in the world, is at $27.89. It's on discount, guys. And even though it pulled back slightly today, look, I'm still up total return, $378. That's 6.05%. If I wanted to skip work today, all I would have to do is pull out piece of that, not even the whole thing, just a piece of the profit, and that would cover my day's worth of work. If you want to be honest, if you want to be honest, I got 237.88 shares of SCHD. So, and that I got a pretty large position there. So, guys, you just got to know how to play the game. You just got to understand stocks and ETFs. News affects the markets. That's what I've always been telling y'all. The news affects the markets. Excuse me. But don't feel upset. Don't feel afraid. Let's see what happens when the market actually opens for the day. But this is the pre-market. I just want to bring you this video. This is KJ the Investor signing off. Peace.